when I start studying English, I very scared, because the English is very hardest to all people, even the school, even the people going to school and pay to teacher to learn about English. English is very hard. You know why? Because English is the very difficult to all cannot understand. English is one of the most important language in whole world, because English is the major language in whole world, like a big city like USA, United States of America, like the UK, European people, Arab country, or any kinds of country like Japan, like Korea, wherever you go in any kinds of nation, English is very important to connect people, to communicate people, to understand how where you're going, and even you go to terminal, or even to go to airport, in any kinds of airport, you ask English, because English is one of the most important communicate understood people. So very hard to study, but I'm study little by little, whenever you go, wherever you go in any country, is you communicate. For example, you ask your passport in the terminal, and the airport, you ask your where is your address, what is your name, or where you going, what is your name, like that, or what is your work, like that, where is your country, like that, or basta manghirap, no? ang hirap po, grabe, very hardest to study English, but I'm trying the best, study little by little.